What are you doing out? Are you supposed to be out in the pout? What about chicken hawks? Did your mother tell you about chicken hawks? I'm guessing your mom didn't tell you about chicken hawks, did she? Huh? How about you? Where's mom, huh? I guess you are mom. But you guys aren't supposed to be out. Shame. Shame on you, chicken. Shame on you, chicken. Shame. You better go home. Go where it's safe. Sky's falling. Yes, sky will fall. The end is near. Ah! The end is near. Ah! Run, chicken, run. Okay, not so fast. Scared to leave now, aren't you? I put the fear of God into you. Well, I hate to say it, but fear never did anybody any good. So maybe you ought to step outside the old home plate. Oops, sorry I said that. Home plate. Yeah, come on, you can step out. I don't see a chicken hawk in the whole area, nor a coyote. Okay, well, little steps. Tiny little chicken steps. You got your passport. No, I'm telling Steve Jobs if you hit the phone again. Steve Jobs, they're hitting your phone. No,